Don't know why so many people buy this hair dryer. So I get one no. The packing come a bit lousy lah, but when I take out, oh, it's not bad looking there, the hair dryer. You see the hair dryer, the front and back so different from the normal hair dryer. And then they got this button. Here got speed, and then the plug is a UK plug lor, Singapore plug. So I'll try it. Now I know why already. So strong and powerful. Within second, my hair all dry already. Faster, faster go my TikTok shop and buy. Faster. New buyer only $15.88 only.